Hi guys, my name is Sayan Saha, and in this video, we're going to share with you 5 morning habits that I follow. I usually wake up around 4:30 to 5 a.m. I don't know why exactly this happens, but it really feels better about myself. I get a lot of time to think about myself, and I love it. Then after waking up, I drink a full glass of water, chilled water, I would like to say, with lemon. It's really very refreshing as it helps me to hydrate my body after 8 to 7 hours of sleep. Then I engage in some form of physical activity to get my blood flowing and it boosts my energy level. This could be as simple as stretching or doing some yoga poses. And more if you want some more intense workout, you sometimes do like running or weightlifting. After working out, then I do meditation. Helps me to calm, and I really love it. And after meditation, I need something to um, meditation makes me calm, and now I need something to reflect myself. So I start recording videos. I will not go further about it. um, and then I think about the prioritizing thing. There's a lot of stuff that I do in every day. So without prioritizing them, either it will take a lot of time or I distract. So prioritizing those tasks are the best thing that I think about it. If you learn something from my morning routine, you can add some of those, but don't blindly follow me. Some stuff that is going on in your life and maybe not in my life, so this can vary. So don't blindly follow me. If you learned something from this videos, if you learned something new from this video, please subscribe our channel and like this video. So goodbye, see you again in the next video.